Welcome once again to the Counterman Education Center. Eric is here with us. Eric, I've had a few techs ask me about this. What is it? What does it do? Why do I need it?
This is a tubing bender, or one style of a tubing bender. This is designed for any type of steel or even alloy line.
Okay.
And the purpose of it is to bend that line, whether it's fuel line, a brake line, or even a vent line of sorts, just to bend metal line without kinking it. Normally, if you were to take a piece of line and try to bend it, it's going to fold in half, and that works. So these portions of this tool are radiused, so when the line is in here, you just bend it and it makes a gentle bend. And there's a couple different types. This particular type I was using, it's really nice for a very tight bend right at the end on brake line. This will do through 3/16 or 1/4 inch. But there's even benders for, 3/8, 7/16, half-inch line. You can use them for air conditioning lines, fuel lines, anything you need, where you need to basically reproduce a line to replace like a rusted line or something like that.
I can see that, why that's a very valuable tool.
Absolutely.
All right, thank you, Eric, and thank you for watching the Counterman Education Center. We hope to see you next time.